Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing a Apple Blick charger, which is on the Amazon box, which is a 20-watt one. I actually got like a few days ago. Okay, wait a minute, it's not. That was, I think like, I was sure it was like a few days ago, and I don't know, maybe bought it or something, I don't know. So I can like, so I can charge like my Apple Watch. So now yesterday my Apple Watch. So I think I got like an Apple Watch case. This is like a 2-pack one. I had to get the other one for my family member and get one for myself. Seriously. So because the one family member has like the Apple Watch Series 8. Remember the one from last year? Yeah, I'm probably sure it's like 1.5 years by now. So let's unbox it. So first, we're gonna get our USB Type-C. So all the way. So I'm gonna press zoom now. Okay, so try. Oh, doesn't do that. Well, let's just move over a little since yeah, gonna move over a little. So what we have to do is do like this. I'm gonna make sure that doesn't break. Okay. Yep. We got a manual. So there's the manual. Sorry guys, there's background noise. Okay. This is box. And this is a warranty summary. Yeah, I'm probably showing you a little close up and so you can see it. We got this power adapter. Another thing, I'm not gonna read that because I don't feel like wasting your time. Let's take out the tape. Yeah, this one, this tape feels like, wow. So let's put everything back except this book, since I'm going to use it for my portion. Yeah, maybe someday I'll use it. Yeah. Okay.
Una cajita transparente y adentro negra tuya. Ajá.
So some warranty, power adapter, another piece of paper thing, then some tape. I don't know what the hell should I do. Oh, okay. Now, see, now looks like it. See? Nah. And this brick, this will be my first Apple brick. Officially. So, thank you guys for watching, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. And sorry for background video for that. Just another kind of warning again. So, bye.